Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power and isolating the display. Unplug the charger, detach peripherals, and remove external displays. Then perform a hard power hold for 10 to 15 seconds to drain residual charge. This can clear firmware hangups. Once done, reconnect only power and test briefly to see if the white screen clears. Make sure to document any visible damage or bulging battery before proceeding, because hardware faults change your next steps. Next, you run targeted diagnostics to separate software from hardware faults. Boot into safe mode or recovery to bypass third-party drivers. If the white screen vanishes, reinstall or update the display driver. If available, reset PRAM/NVRAM or equivalent firmware settings to clear corrupt parameters. Meanwhile, connect an external monitor so you can determine whether the GPU outputs correctly. If external video is normal. For final resolution, power down and open the chassis to inspect and reseat the display cable and connectors. Loose or corroded contacts often cause a white screen. If reseating doesn't help, swap the panel or inverter with a known good unit to confirm failure, because replacing the wrong part wastes time and money. If you must replace parts, make sure to ground yourself and follow torque and connector alignment. One key tip: always test with one replacement part at a time to isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.